higher heat pump water heater. Large screen display, a +ErP energy rating, 80% energy saving, all-in-one heat pump water heater. The surface contact heat exchange area is larger, greatly improves the efficiency of heat. Refrigerant type, R290, excellent thermodynamic performance, up to 65 high water temperature. The high-quality inverter compressor and DC fan. In the cold winter, the compressor increases input power to stabilize heat production, meet various water usage needs.